Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Australian dollar and the US dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. Microsoft's stock gained 1.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The Canadian dollar strengthened against its US counterpart as domestic data showed wage growth picking up and ahead of US inflation data that could offer clues on the prospect of Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. BHP Group said it made an offer to buy London-listed miner Anglo American, valuing its share capital at $38.84 billion, a deal that would create the world's largest copper miner with around 10% of global output. Oil prices settled higher on worries of supply disruptions in the Middle East's supply, as Israel stepped up airstrikes on Gaza's Rafah and on the US Treasury Secretary's comments that the economy was performing well.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst to pick up today's main economic events.
Japan's BOJ interest rate decision will be released at 3 GMT. Spain's retail sales at 7 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 3 GMT. The US personal spending at 12:30 GMT. Australia's export price index at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.